lapis, oh. Kaya lapis, mga igalas. Sige nga, ara, ginapin sa ilo. Kung iba na siya, adi na siya. Nag-abot-abot na sa ilo.
Can you go play?
Ay, naka-ilo, kamay lapis.
I decided to live at Sir Marius because it's so hard for me to see my stepmother because she has a new husband, and it's so hard to, because if you don't mind, my father died last March, so at that day my mother has a new husband. So if you are in my case, it's so hard, but that's why I decided to go to the place of Sir Marius.
Some food.
I remember that day that I was begging the money, and it's so hard when the people said, "Oh, just go home, and you're just a crazy person." It's so hard, but my dream is to finish my study first and to help other people, especially my teacher. And I teach and to impart my knowledge, to give new knowledge, and to impart my talents, especially in dancing, or shall we say, because I'm a teacher in elementary, so it's so nice to teach and the kids because it's so fun.
Mamaya iikon natin ito ha.
Yes. It's all about being.
I apply for ANAP because I am a poor person, but poor is not mean that you will not to pursue your dreams.